Hi, this is Diana from Second Half Dreams, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create writing prompts. Adding writing prompts to your books is a great way to make them a little bit more unique and hopefully give them some extra value. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to make writing prompts like these, and of course I'll be doing that in the YouTube video logbook. My first writing prompt page is going to be a channel page, and on this page I'm going to ask channel questions such as what is the YouTube channel name, what is the channel about, who is the target audience, and I'm going to create that page over here as a master page. And as a quick side note, I tend to make all of my main pages and sometimes even this first title page and the second page, which is the copyright page, and this third page as master pages, because I like to see a list of all the pages that I made in one spot. So it's easier for me to just look up here and see what I made versus having some pages made up here and some pages made down here. With that said, let's go ahead and start working on that first writing prompt page. I'm going to use these lined note pages as the starting point for my YouTube channel writing prompt page. So first I'm just going to make a copy of these two pages by selecting them, right-clicking, and then selecting duplicate master spread. So now I have a B master, which is just a duplicate of the A master, and I'm going to just rename this real quick to channel questions. And then likewise, I'm going to rename the A master to note pages. Okay, now I'm going to go to the channel questions page and start creating some questions. So the reason why I copied over this note page is because then I don't have to recreate another text box with lines. I can just use what I already created. So let me just first start by clicking W so we can see the margins in the text box. And then I'm just going to select all of these lines and delete them. And then if you recall, to make the lines, you just press Tab, Enter, Tab, Enter. Well, making writing prompts is just as easy. All you have to do is just type in your question. So for example, how about we do channel name? And I just press Tab. So now there's a line for the person to write on. Then we'll press Enter. I'm going to skip a line, and then press Enter again. And how about description? Tab. I'll give the person a few lines to write on. Press Enter. How about target audience? The reason why I started a YouTube channel. My top 3 goals for this channel. And then you can either press the number 1 and then line, or you can go over here and click on numbered list and then just press Tab and it'll automatically put in the numbers for you. Okay, I don't want this 4, so I need to disable this numbered list. Okay, that's gone, so let me just make another line. How about types of videos that I'll be posting. And then how about a posting schedule? And this time I'm going to put a checkbox in, so I'm going to go to type glyphs. And I already have this box because I used it before, but if you don't have that, just go ahead and change this to wingdings. And then it changes the little symbols you can select. So you can just select one of the boxes, double click on it. And then you could, let me type in Monday. Whoops, let me go back down here. Get rid of this. Type in Monday. Okay, so what's happening here is that I'm in the Wingdings font because I needed that font to get this box. But now I need to, actually, let me undo. Then let me just delete these last 3. And then now I need to change this font back to Myriad Pro. Okay, so let me do Monday. And then I'm going to just, actually I'm just going to copy this over so I don't have to keep going to that insert glyph. So I'm going to do copy, and I'll just make a few spaces. Then Control V. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7. So now I'll just type in the new days. Okay, I think I'll just change this to a weekly posting schedule. So yeah, see how easy that was? And now let me just go ahead and click out and press W. So now you can see what the note page looks like. And then let's just go ahead and add it down here. So I have my title page, copyright and dedication. So I want to put that these questions here as page number 5. So right now page numbers 4 and 5 are note pages. So let me just go ahead and make 4 a blank page by selecting it and then going to apply master to pages and changing note pages to none. So now this page is blank. And then I'm going to change this from note pages to channel questions. And there I have my questions. I think I just want to move this box down so there's a little bit more spacing between the headline. And actually I do need to change this headline real quick. So let me go back up here. And I really don't want a notes page here, so let me just go ahead and delete this. So let me just rename this my channel. And then I'm going to press W and just move this down a little bit. And if I go back over here, that changed. So now I have my book really quick. So I got the title page, pages 2 and 3, a blank page, and a channel page. So yeah, that's how easy it is to make writing prompts for your journal or logbook.